as I say, peeps, and down so at the food part, down so you get all kind of food. Food. Yeah, so I mean, and as I say, peeps, when you come out, make sure you stay secure. You know, what you see me say, if the brother there will sing and act too. Oh, that one with my father. What name again? I wonder who that is. No, it look like him too, man. I think yes. Honestly, please.
I work, man. I work, brother. I can't talk. You glad you talk about what I do? Alright, I fry some fish now and the chicken I move slow. So you don't know, eh? You soon come? Alright, it has soap. I don't know. Yeah. Chicken them I wait for, eh? No, I put nothing for it. And if we get 2 festivals. Oh.
Grand Market. Yeah. My experience of Grand Market is that you get to buy a lot of presents.
Oh,
but
on the camera. You're not wrong on the camera. Alright, it's a young lady here. I know her a very long time. Real hustler. Yeah, real hustler. And see my mother over here, so. Mommy, want to go on? Oh, grandma. What you go on so far? You want to put the camera? Show me how to go on the pan then. You don't want to put the camera. Alright, see Lindsay with them. Then now waste no time. Big church, big up yourself. I'm supposed to chicken now. I'm supposed to chicken now. 350. Oh, so that's a go on. Well, grandma can look here. Yes, peeps. So, yes. Welcome to another part of the series, Grand Market in Jamaica. We're going to say Grand Market in Grand Cayman. Can you believe? Yes, so it's about Wildfire 777. So yes, peeps, as I say, we're in Linstead now. So let's check out Linstead and show you what Linstead is like and Grand Market tonight. Yeah. So let's show you, peeps. So we are in Linstead, St. Catherine. And from what I've seen so far, Linstead is not what it used to be, because all these streets used to be crowded back in the days. If anybody can remember Linstead, Grand Market used to look like, used to be more crowded. Jerky, oh, go on.
no respect, man.
That means the Linstead Grand Market mash up or what? No man, upper stage is full up.
No, that's at least. What
Ain't the music I play?
No, I crowd, you know.
Oh, what? Okay.
So Grand Market, yeah.
Come pass on Angel go on.
No, Angel, alright, man.
Punish town go on. Down a town go on.
Angel, there's some that Angel, there's some.
Alright.
When I told you that,
Love you say that. Alright, big up yourself. Alright, peeps. So we are Linstead, peeps. We are in Linstead, St. Catherine. Yes. And as I say, this is Grand Market in Jamaica. What Jamaica Grand Market look like, peeps. So we are walking the streets tonight. I'm showing you what it look like. Sorry if it's a little bit dark. I don't have no light on it because the people don't want light on their face and stuff like that. Yeah, but we're in a Linstead, St. Catherine, and it's the Linstead Grand Market. People are saying that's what it used to be. What is your thought on it? Let me hear your thought and your views. What as I say, this is Grand Market in Linstead, St. Catherine. Yeah. People then come out same way. People then come out a lot same way, peeps, but yeah, that is that. It's a tape, make sure it's a tape. Make sure it's recording, yes, it's recording, peeps, so yeah. So if I Wildfire 777 TV, but it's not Jamaica walk by. Yeah. People in Jamaica are so used to Jamaica walk by. That's I didn't see them ask for Jamaica walk by. Big up yourself, Jamaica walk by. Fabian, yeah. You do a good job youth. And you're clean, you set the thing. Busting enough help a youth with you and thing. As I say up a police there and thing too. Make sure I say everything on order. So yeah, Linstead is crowded. As the guy said, I'm going to go down to town and go look and as I'm seeing a lot of people in town with you, but no music as usual. There used to be a lot of music. So I guess they say whosoever have sound and stuff not getting a permit. So they can't be playing a whole lot of music. Because whole heap of shooting been happening in Linstead from the start of the area. Whole heap of shooting, whole heap of killing. Go on. But Linstead still nice, as I say. Linstead used to be the biggest grand market in Jamaica. And I say that without an apology. In the entire Jamaica. All the people there still. Lots of people there here, babes. So just stick and stay. I want to go on. Yeah. As you can see, how it look, Tono? Tell me how it look. Comment below and tell me how it look. If it look good, or if it don't look good. Yeah. Whole lot of people there, same way as usual. So I go walk the street of Linstead. And then I go link my friend here, Omar. Because I'm extremely hungry. I've only ate one time from morning so far. So my belly is really hungry now. And I've been driving from about after 11. And now it's like after 9. Drake, you want to go on? You want to put the camera in there? You want to put the camera? You want to put the camera? Show me how to go on iPad then. You don't want to put the camera. Alright, see you see with them. Then now waste no time. Big jerk, big up yourself. I'm supposed to jerk chicken now. I'm supposed to chicken now. 350 a pound. 350? Oh, so it's go on now. What grand market look to you? Well, somebody in about. Go on. It could have better. Yeah. Because I might say that what music there. What sound, because they're not getting a permit. But that's where you go. Hope you make some money. Just a little box them I go on already, isn't it? And that may I say? Hope you make some money still. Alright, big up yourself. So yes, peeps. They say it's not like what it used to be still, but it'll go on. It'll have to go on. Jerky? Yeah. As I say, peeps, and down so at the food part, down so you get all kind of food. Food. Yeah, so I mean, and as I say, peeps, when you come out, make sure you secure your wallets because everybody at work. Pickpocket them at work too. Everybody at hustle. Don't let them hustle you. Yeah. Don't let them hustle you. So we walk in the street showing what it is like. This is Jamaica and this is the Grand Market. This is what Grand Market is like, peeps. This is what Grand Market looks like. So I am going to walk down King Street and then I walk up Market Street. And then I go by the food court and show you know what's really happening here. Yeah. So I'm just showing you a place where it look like Grand Market in Linstead. Yeah, so really that town really crowded for true peeps. I guess people mostly crowd the town. Yeah. But yeah, town crowded for true. But I don't have music like I normally used to hear a lot of music. All a big sound.
Well, I don't occupy.
Oh. Okay, occupy. I heard from occupy. Alright. So yes, peeps. This is Grand Market. And it's the 24th of December, the day before Christmas, which is the 25th. And as I say, I'm going very slow because the crowd has gotten so thick. The crowd is so thick.
Watch your foot back, don't step back. Here. Do not step back.
The crowd has gotten so thick here. It's like I'm not going anywhere. Like I need wings.
That's why, man.
I need wings. Red Bull. You said Red Bull? You said Red Bull? No. I'm not advertise Red Bull still, but there's a Red Bull give you wings.
Watch your foot back.
So yes, peeps. Actually, just like the same way you see a town, a whole heap of sellers. Sellers like crazy. Whole heap of sellers. And as usual, a lot of jerkman. When you come on to jerkman, you see a whole lot of jerkman out there too. Whole heap. And mainly I go see some box to play and thing. Mainly some box. So this is it, peeps. This is King Street, Linstead. Yeah, and mainly you go hear a sound like that. A big sound there to that. Yeah. So easier the camera is that high. Nobody now go bother me and say, oh, you're shining, putting the camera at me. I got money. Hey, look so. Oh. Like you're in there firing. A long time I say, in there firing. You're trying to firing. Yeah, what you mean? You see you look. You see you look, the belly get big.
Belly big like that.
Where the pan?
Yeah, I go
So yeah, sell out something for the lady them.
Yeah.
And your brother there. Brother, big up yourself. Yeah, man. No, them man, their foundation, man. A long time I don't see him too. Years I don't see him.
Are you going?
Eh?
You going?
Me? You never Linstead again? Oh, that's why you don't see me, man.
You going, man?
That's why I don't see you. I walk on the road and come back. I'm sure people want to go on Linstead, you know? Oh. Yeah, hold the 577 TV. Make sure you subscribe.
YouTube.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. So yes, peeps, because I am from Linstead, I know a lot of people in Linstead. A whole lot of people I know in Linstead because I used to live here. Not anymore, but I used to live here. Yeah, so this is Linstead. This is Linstead, peeps. Linstead, St. Catherine. And as me say, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Hello? You mind up on the camera? You mind up on the camera? Or you don't want up on the camera? You're not wrong up on the camera? Alright, so a young lady here. I know her a very long time. Real hustler. Yeah, real hustler. And see my mother over here, so. Mommy, want to go on? How Grand Market? What you going so far? You going good? So the market are going? Tell me the market are going.
We still there pick.
Pick?
Yeah. Yeah.
Whole pick, you know?
Yeah, we there pick 1-1. Yeah.
So, in your opinion, Grand Market is like what Grand Market used to be?
No. Every year it like it get worse and worse.
Come across an angel and I tell you to go on. Spanish town I go on. And downtown I go on. I'll be in a hot. Watch it hotter.
Okay.
Falmouth good.
Well, Linstead, I don't know.
Yeah, but I really hope you make some money though, so it's real money. But I like what I see now. Every time I see you, I mean, you just want to get one store. Wait for me? So then close up here too? Oh. Yeah, I say, sure I get one store too, shorty. And I so put in the market, you know. Out in I go hold you neither. You have to get 3 stalls in the market. Eh? Out there belong to. I'm not going on the road, I circle and come back here. Alright. So yes, peeps. This is Linstead. This is Linstead, and as we say, we know a lot of people here. So more likely, we have to stop and talk to some of them, not everybody, because you know, a lot of people are really rating your town. Or Brown there. When I see Brown, let me come back my link Brown. So yes, peeps, this is what Grand Market look like. As I say, the 24th of December, everybody come out like this in the street of Jamaica, every town. As I say, in Montego Bay, in Falmouth, Ocherias, Kingston, Spanish Town. I didn't stop in Angels, but Angels was good from what I drive past and saw also. It was really looking good. Yeah. And now we are in Linstead, St. Catherine. So we're traveling all day. So you want to see how hard Murphy give a video, peeps? All day. And not tell the time now. Now it's like... Go on. Big bless. Eh? Channel there. Hold the 577 TV. Yeah, what's your channel name?
Jamaica Chada.
Eh?
Jamaica Chada.
Repeat.
Jamaica Chada. Jamaica Chada.
Jamaica Trader. Okay. Alright, big up yourself, bro. Alright, another YouTuber. You know? I always see them, I have to hear them, you know? Yeah. Yeah, don't have to look too bad either. Streets block off now. Yeah, as you can see. I'm using the phone now, so it's much brighter. The GoPro no give you no justice in the dim light. And this store used to be Azan, on my right here used to be Azan, but now the Chinese have it. Alright, copyright music. So we're on King Street, and King Street is completely blocked off until they reach on further. So we are going all the way down to Akipad. We are heading all the way down to Akipad. Bar and restaurant. Let's walk all the way down, people, and show no how to go on the Linstead. Big sun. As I said, I am from Linstead, so a lot of persons know me. And of course, some of them will call to me, as we say. Yeah, but this is what Linstead used to look like. Every corner you turn, you used to have music. But you still have a lot of jerkman everywhere you go still in Linstead. You have one here, so you have one there, so two pan there, so. Look, right there, so you have three jerkman so far. Close, very close together, you have three jerkman. Yeah. You gotta have a whole lot. Liquor, that's it. 1, 2, 3, that's 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 7. 8, 9, 10. I mean, you can't stop jerk. Everybody jerking. Everybody trying to make some money, and people buy liquor. Persons buy alcohol or liquor, whichever you want to call it, and they do their thing. And that is what I like in Jamaica. As I say, a grand market. And this is what grand market is like. And this is a popular place, occupied. Everybody know about this in Linstead. And here you have Paul. This is Paul. Paul, walk on. A long time I don't see Paul. Alright, I'm not put up on the camera. Walk on. There. You're there? Yeah. Oh, you're in there, foreign. And here's going to see you. Yeah? China or Australia, you there? Yeah? China or Australia, you there?
No, they're Jamaica.
They're Jamaica? Okay. So, how Grand Market look to you? Look like usual? Alright. So, people, this is your occupied bar and land. From years to years, this is occupied. Biggest thing in Linstead. No depend if you don't want to depend, man. Big up yourself, man. Yes, people. So, it's an RFM down here. So, you know, for copyright music, so we have to turn back and head back up the road. Because sometimes some people like look for you when they see camera, and everywhere they go nowadays they have camera. Thing good, yet? Alright, big up yourself, man. Man, don't big man. Yes, babes. So, we're heading back up the street. So, for years, that bar has been there. Never, outdated or anything. Things always been happening at that bar. That is one of the biggest, or should I say, entertainment in Linstead. So let's head on back up the street. As I say, I am hungry, very hungry. So what they do normally every year, they block off the street, so nothing come down this side of the street or drive on Market Street. It is totally blocked off until tomorrow, which is Christmas Day, which is the 25th. Yes, so it block off straight. So people be on the road straight until in the morning. Business places open until in the morning. Barber shop open until in the morning. Yeah, that's how it is in Jamaica. So it's bleaching, a strip. Alright. So, it's all night event, straight to daylight. Some people that don't even go home at all. So yes, peeps. As me say, if it's the first time coming back to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And my vice, seems like I forget a lime or something. I'm a vice, steal away. Look for your brother, I know, but I don't see him. I don't see him, peeps. I don't see him. So I'm not really look for him. So let's head on back and go up Market Street. I'm not going to the market because, you know, sometimes a lot of shady stuff are going on the market, so I'm not going on the camera. And that's plain truth. So let's see if we can head back through the crowd. Here so is the thickest part of the crowd. I'm head back up Market Street and show you what I go up on Market Street. And then we head on down to the food court. Let me see how long I've been recording now. Almost half an hour. Oh. I've been recording almost half an hour. I'm saying they can walk over here, so. Where is the look? I walk over here, so. Why is it so crowded? I'm trying to avoid the crowd. Whoa! What go on? Thing good, boss? You remember me? Oh, yeah, Corona. Oh, yeah, Corona. Alright, dig up yourself. I see you have a mask, so I'm asking if you have Corona in have on. Nice lady, what go on? Thing good? Me there, you know? Yeah, my video Linstead. So I'm not put the camera on for you, so all Linstead look to you.
Look good, man.
Look good?
Hey, but you know, say angel like ice cream, though. Angel like ice cream. Yeah, man, I say.
I mean, make Linstead look like you're not try.
No, sir, angel like ice cream, man.
Yeah.
Don't me over cock here now. Pack.
You try advise and say like them and sabotage Linstead.
Yeah, I artist say we are down there, you know.
Artist down there?
Yeah, man, what artist say angel, man?
Okay.
And what the artist down
I'm
there?
pass on the top, you know.
Eh?
You see over on the top. Should have top down.
Yeah, man, I
Because I go around downtown. Downtown, thank you.
You're
Downtown.
not too late, you can go back down if you want.
I'm not sure, maybe. You know, some people don't want to see, so that's why I'm not going there.
Like you don't want to see me from me, I'm going to go there.
I'll go down there. You're not left Linstead. Big up yourself. Yeah. So anyway, peeps, we are heading down to Market Street. We're heading on to Market Street. Yeah, but yeah, I'm never for walking in a crowd, man. Over here so less crowded. I'm like that. I love that. So even up here, so not that crowded, peeps, as we say. All for copyright music. Yeah. Street crowded away still. Look good. Let me say. Looks pretty good. Yeah. So this is Market Street. This is the Market Street, peeps. And this is Linstead, St. Catherine. Yeah. This is Linstead, St. Catherine, peeps. And we're here. Morning. Thing good? Yeah. So you're on TikTok? Oh, I think I TikTok live for the fan. Oh, yeah, I know. I always know. So you're on TikTok. I know you. Alright, I go pass so. So yes, peeps, as me say. Yes, bless. So yes, peeps, as me say. This is Linstead, St. Catherine in a Grand Market. As I said, Linstead used to be the biggest Grand Market in Jamaica. But now they are saying that angels giving Linstead a run for money. But the only thing with Linstead, Mr. Linstead. What going on, brother? I'll pause the video. So yes, peeps. Yes, peeps, we're there, you know. We are in Linstead, as we say, St. Catherine. And this is Grand Market. The breadfruit Nair Road, brother. Breadfruit Nair Road. Take up your face still. So I'm going to show you, barber shop them and something. And then I'm going to pass through bar spot. I link some of the youth them. Oh, that sharp boy. Soon forward. How that there? So let's head down at the road first. So I come back, then I stop. Sometimes, like too much people know me, I know too much people. So this is Market Street. Yeah, you have to ask for help, man.
Eh?
You have to ask for help, man.
No, man, you don't want no help.
You don't want to help?
No, man, then go on, man.
Oh.
A taxi we are run same way like here, the rest of man, then we have been doing, you know.
You run taxi?
So we have to take the time with them.
Yeah. Alright, peeps, we're heading up Market Street. I'm going to push a cart, yeah? Yeah.
So we have to agree.
Yeah.
Take the time, go.
Just like good old days, you know?
What do you mean?
We're good old days.
And this is Christmas and no crowded like one time.
No, that means, man, everybody say.
Alright, look up here, sir.
Yeah.
Give me whole lot to come all over, so you can't pass.
Alright. I thought some girl that tell me say every year it seems to be getting worse.
Alright.
They get worse and worse, you know?
But only thing, we tell them I celebrate, people come out and celebrate for that.
Yeah, that's true, man.
Yeah.
And I really, yeah, that's true, that's true.
We just leave on this.
Yeah. So he said, it's true, brother.
Every whole lot is so crowded.
Yeah.
People in the middle of the road. By 4 or 5 o'clock, car can drive past, you know.
Yeah, that's true, man. I angel, where do you go?
Yeah?
I don't angel the vibe there.
Next Christmas.
I angel, yeah.
Yeah?
I let them say, I pass up people on the stage and stage put up. And them say artists and something down there. Yeah. Over something up there. You're good now. You're going to walk still. So this is Market Street. So I'm going to walk and go further. I'll go on.
It's not about the carver pot and juggling.
So yes, please.
Learn this shit better. Never
Hope you alone, me see a real big son. You know, self a big son in Linstead like he used to be. Time gone, all the years I used to full off. Not true. Yo, what go on?
Original.
There, you know, brother. And that means I say Linstead look so. Time pass, I couldn't even come back so. Crowded.
I don't just say crowded, man.
Yeah.
I'm done so.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
But yeah, I mash up the thing still.
We can get a support.
Eh?
We can get a support.
How much is shots then?
15 bills.
15 bills. Alright, yeah, me down at Omar and then I give you a circle. I'm hungry.
Alright.
I'm just make a circle, record and then I circle.
Alright.
Big up yourself, brother. Yeah. So yes, peeps. I'll turn back now, I'm not going further. I'm going further. To the end of the street. I'm going to the end of the street and show now. Because I show now everything I go on. So this is the end of the street, as I say. The police are down here, so. But this is not what Linstead used to be like still. Grand Market. As I say, Linstead Grand Market used to be the biggest in Jamaica. People from all over used to come, just like how people from all over go to Falmouth. But Grand Market don't look like how you used to look, not true? Grand Market don't look like how you used to look, not true?
No, man, mash up, man.
Yeah. He mash up wicked. He said, man, they mash up with the crime. Boy, may I tell you. Yeah. Because you done there already. We can't run going now. Go. So he said. Yes, peeps. As I say, there's a lot of crime been happening over the years in Jamaica, in Linstead especially. Because normally the street them block off and the taxi them park down here, so. Treadways, Tyman, York Street, Rosal. All of them normally park down here, so. Yeah. So the street, Market Street normally close off. And then the taxi them park down this side. Oh. Yeah, so I say me soon turn back, peeps. Turn back down so. Nothing else not going on, so I might as well me turn back and head back up the street and head on down back to the food court and show you what go on. The food court is where it's happening. Yeah, as I say, if you look, a lot of police they all over the place maintaining law and order. Because Linstead has become, or not become, but trust me, at times it is a very volatile place. Trust me, I don't know what happened, but shit happens. Because what people really fighting for, I don't know. But them know what them a fight for. Or what them a fight over. So let's go out on the street, peeps. I'm gonna say, one time I eat from morning, so I'm gonna get something to eat. Let me see what time it is now. So it's like 9:44. So it's 6 minutes to 10. So let's get something to eat. Yeah. So yeah, barber shop up here, so restaurants and bar. Barber shop over here for years. Yeah, barber shop right here. And up here you have Linstead Post Office also. So heavy! Woo! Alright. So this is Linstead Post Office on my right. My left rather. Not right but left. Some people will talk to you but they don't want to be on camera. But that's okay. You can hear them voices. Yeah. Whew. I am tired and hungry and my feet are tired, peeps. So the peeps, in life, you have to love what you do and do what you love. And when you love what you do, it don't become a job. It's like just your hobby. It becomes natural. So we all should find something that we love and do it. Yeah. So as I say, let's go down to the food court. Yeah, yeah. And Linstead, I think mainly it's because the music not playing and all of that. Because Jamaican people mostly go by music. Music give them a vibe for sell and for shop and all of that, you know. And other them just come to listen to music. Yeah. How go on, brother? Alright. Yeah, man. So, alright, peeps. And this is a street, they call it street Tip Top Hill. And this have a lot of history here. So, anyhow, stick and stay. Stick and stay. Sure, now you have to lock up already? You feel lock up already? Eh? So early? Yes, sir. I mean, not go on. Gotcha. Can normally, you know, lock up until daylight. Yeah. So you got angels then, your party. Oi boy.
Hello.
Oi boy, ain't good?
Yeah, man.
Okay, I'm there, yeah. So yes, peeps, and over here, so. Over here, so you have Nadine there for years. For years, Nadine there. And she always have her clothes them herself. And she sell underwear. You want to put the camera, Nadine? You don't want to put the camera? Oh, she don't mind being on the camera. So this is Nadine. So, Oil Market.
Good so far. I like it, yeah. Yeah.
So, how Grand Market to you compared to other years?
You know, through time they come. You know, say, yeah, it's time to stay so, because you know, say people them don't have the money and them have to try look out their house, whatever, you know, zinc, ply, nail, and then something there. Yeah. You see me? So we have to see with that. So what we get, we're grateful for that because them couldn't, they come with none.
Nadine there for years, Nadine there. And this is Nadine place, so Nadine there right close to Tip Top. And let me say now, near to the market. So when you come, must find her. She sell all the good girl things them. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Alright. Oh. So yes, peeps. So yes, peeps. Stop and heal up, bridging them and things. So yeah, my name yesterday in the street, and everybody's saying that the street is not what it's used to be like, not anymore. And it is very evident to me. Very, very, very evident that it's not like what it's going to be, but you know. Yeah. Because I say people mainly go for Jamaican, mostly go for entertainment. And there is no entertainment, Jamaican are there, you know. Jamaica not gonna be there. Because they love a lot of entertainment. So, you know, it is what it is, peeps. What me say? If you don't know Grand Market, this is a Grand Market. Yeah. Yeah. That is it. If you don't know Grand Market, this is Grand Market. And comment and tell me below if you have anything like this in your country. So peeps, look who I see right here. Sister Annie Ellis, and she's looking all pretty. Say alright, ma'am. Okay, so we finally see you in person. Which is going to see you for years, because we just come at tip top. Yeah, but we finally see you again after so much years. Okay, ma'am. But you look like you're not aged still. You look like aging like fine wine. And I'm going to Omar get something to eat. Okay, take care. Alright. So yes, peeps. So that is Sister Annie Ellis. Yes, if you watch the channel, you will know her. That's Annie Ellis. She lives in Linstead. I've known her for years, but I haven't. When I used to work at a wholesale, I used to see her, but I haven't seen her. I haven't seen her for a long time now. Yeah. But that is Annie Ellis, peeps. Boy, I'm 15 years for that, you know. So anyhow, peeps, as I say, I'm going to look some food. No, which street should I walk? Alright. Let's walk here and see if we get some food, peeps. And the ground is about darker. I'm on very short light there. So this is the food court where you get food. Yeah, you get food right here. Every stall I look here, so is food stall, juice and food. There are peeps like crazy. On both sides of the street, juice and food. And as I say, this is Grand Market. This is Linstead, St. Catherine, Jamaica. This is how Jamaicans celebrate. As I say, along side there at the food court. So we're going to link Omar now. Hey. And lots of food. This is the food court, peeps. So I get something to eat. Because I'm extremely, when I say extreme, I mean extremely hungry. Extremely hungry. So you know, come on Linstead, I have to link Omar. Omar the right beside the NCB. That is NCB, side of NCB. You come down here, sir. And Omar the down here. My name? I don't know, become long time. Become long time. I'm go down, sir, and go up, so I link that for them, man. My name? You're boring? Come here. Wait now. More want the chicken first. It's like me can go to Grand Market the first time. Yeah. You see, man, wait there. I tell him to allow me. I tell him to allow me. I tell the brother to allow me. Eh? And I tell somebody what they say, Josh nearly tall like me. But I realize that boy tall like me. My youth, you have to grow past me. Oh, you have to grow past me. Yeah.
The 9th graders keep on asking me to stop growing for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. You're taller than them?
Yep.
Okay.
They're below 5. They're below 5.
We're just going to walk down there, because I almost walk the whole street. We're just going to walk down there, so. And let me hear your point, hold the mic. Let me hear your point about Grand Market. What do you think of Grand Market now?
What I think of Grand Market is to the fact that it advanced to stuff like we got.
What it used to be like before?
What I think of it is that I think that like the toys, there were like gigs or those type of yo-yos, the string pull yo-yos, and stores around us like this. As you can see, I think so. But I have.
What do you think about the crowd and all of that? Is the crowd the same? Is it as crowded as it used to be before? What do you think?
Of course, my mom told me that it was crowded like this.
No. When you were smaller, it used to be much more crowded than this. Yeah. You couldn't walk here like this. It used to be like extremely crowded.
I never did know that.
Let's turn back here, man. No, back up here. I'll go around the supermarket.
Oh.
So you always like Grand Market?
Of course. Why wouldn't I? It's my favorite part of the year.
Really?
Yeah.
Come on, it's recording. So you just talking on the mic and it's recording. You're not hearing yourself, but it's recording. I know. You know it's recording. Look at it, and you see what you say. When the music, yeah. Yes, you see? Going up. That means it's recording. Yeah. So Josh is saying that his favorite time of the year is Grand Market. But you see one time, no vehicle couldn't drive here because it was too crowded for vehicles to drive here.
I've experienced it around here.
Huh?
I've experienced it around there for a little bit of time.
Okay.
For some reason, I think that we should probably make the city a little bit more. I think that we should make a bit of space in the city.
Okay.
Because I'm not seeing a lot of people.
Hold the mic.
I'm not seeing a lot of people enter the park nowadays. But when I'm talking about the park, and when I'm talking about space, it needs more space. I mean that when it gets too crowded up,
it's too congested.
Yep.
Okay. Because when you go like Falmouth, I don't know if you ever go Falmouth. You ever go Trelawney? Falmouth?
Yep.
You have more space. In the town, it's much more spacious than this. It's not so congested.
I've seen Falmouth, but I've only.
No, I mean when you have Grand Market, not just the road is small to drive on, but yet still in the town, like when you block it off like a Grand Market like this, it's much more convenient for people to walk. Blouse and skirt, pants and shirt. You know, brother, yeah? This is my brother from another mother. You know how long I'm going to see someone here?
Real man, with there, man.
Oh, man. From before tar.
A long time.
A long time.
Real.
Yeah.
Look, you see me tonight. So come in, plan, me come again.
So everything?
Oh, man, me not complain, man. We are so, man.
Yeah.
Complain. And then go there, keep left them in our town.
Oh, your daughter?
No, sir.
Oh.
My daughter in our next week.
Oh. Yeah, easy.
So we say me have chop them in our town.
Yeah.
We link, you know,
Yeah, man, big up yourself,
All
Sungo.
right.
Alright. Yeah. So when we go to school, people used to believe that man in my blood, brother. We used to fight for each other. Any boy I mess with, them have to run. No matter how big them is, when school over, they gotta run out of run. You see how place are crowded? Jeez and peace. Yeah, here circle like we have our like crowd.
Let me just tell you about my experience of Grand Market.
Yeah.
My experience of Grand Market is that you get to buy a lot of presents.
Oh,
but
like the presents.
Yep. You can clearly see that the vendors here are trying to get a lot of customers.
Yeah.
It's exactly here. But yeah, it's all sorts of toys like lightning strike sword, laser, slime, everything that you know.
Yeah.
But even if you don't buy any toys or any other accessories in Grand Market, it's still enjoyable because of the delicious food, people, and the environment itself.
So Josh is saying that even if you're not buying the ties, just amounts of being seeing just the scenery and the people and the food and the smell of the jerk chicken and everything. It's just a Jamaican vibe that, you know, you want to experience, you can never get enough of, right? You just cannot get enough of the experience, enough of the vibe. A vibe like no other. Because, I mean, you know, only in Jamaica you get a vibe like this. You get vibes like this. Nowhere else. And they're hurt. So as I say, whoa, the traffic ain't moving. Yeah. All in Jamaica. Sing some more music, miss. The lady behind me is singing. She's singing some Jamaican clots. She just need a rhythm. Because in Jamaica now, anything you say can become music. You know that, right? You can say it's scratch. And it become a hit song. Yeah, it's crazy, man.
We have many milkshakes. Oreo milkshake. Strawberry.
So we just a walk, peeps.
Jamaica is more similar to Brazil, except that instead of making music, you use the words itself that you created and turn them into a song.
Hello. How are you? I haven't seen you in years. You alright? You're a big woman now. And your mother the lady now? I'll go and see it. Oh, yes, go on. Yeah, man, you're on it now.
1 month.
Yeah.
Fire TV. And just this?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, just
Let me say something that I didn't know saying tall army. I look at me and say, very tall army.
Yeah, then I tell you, I see 200 foreigner, but when I come here, I adjust this. That's the big man. But I'm going to control the air.
So then I should do also?
No, you know, can't look at you them see.
Enjoy things.
Give them a early vibe, you know?
Yeah.
Christmas every day, you know?
We're there.
Alright, big up.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, brother. Alright. Yes,
The school vendors always find some sort of way to make the environment look like Grand Market. Yeah, for some reason they always sell toys, cards, specifically Uno cards or Dragon Ball cards, or handcuffs or any other toy that you know on Grand Market. The school vendors are trying their best to make us have a happy childhood, but because of school restrictions, we can't use the items in school. You know school, right? Yeah, that's how it come.
So yes, peeps, we are in Linstead. Yes, and over here you have a lot of toys. Yes, you have a lot of toys, peeps. You have a lot of toys from one of my friends here. How old that? Blacks? Big up yourself, man. Alright, Blacks. Yeah. So yes, peeps, over here I hold up toys, and my friend over here I sell again too. The man sell for years, for years. Yeah, but him a talk, so I'm not going to interview him. Because him not understand him, he be talking when he see me. I'm going to take interview. Watch him. Can chat him. Soon forward. So in your piece, as we say. Yeah, man. So you set enough. My people, enough people don't know how Grand Market is set in Jamaica and everywhere in the world there, you know. Jamaica different. So when you see this, yeah.
walk over yard.
Yeah, man, when they see this, a different thing. So make them from everywhere, you know. Straight from Montego Bay, go town, come back to Linstead. Yeah. Beat out and tired, but, you know. Yeah. So, yes, peeps. So, Linstead, your base, man, youth? Linstead, the base? Portmore. Oh. So, Portmore, look.
More empty, man. Portmore empty. Empty.
So, you got Angel in the done?
No, I go back home now. I go back home.
You're not about Angel?
No.
Are Angel the vibes there?
Angel the vibes there?
Hey, pass Angel. Everybody can tell Angel. Angel? Hey. Angel make things look like you're not try.
Alright, I think I'll probably start down that side. Alright, I think I'll start that side.
Yeah, man. What do you call it? I know you a long time, so no? No, I know your face. Big and serious, I know your face. So anyway there, peeps, we there walk up and down, me and Josh. That's to show you what Grand Market look like, as I said before. Yes, young kids especially come out because the kids love it. As Josh say, it's his best time of the year when he get to come out like this and thing and see so much people and all of that. Yeah. Go turn back now, Josh. I'm hungry. You want to come up here, I'm hungry, extremely hungry too. When I say hungry, I'm hungry bad. Yeah. I'm very hungry, peeps. And if you realize a lot of people, they must sell liquor, as in alcohol. They get a little stall and they put some alcohol in it, some water, some beer, some rum and stuff like that. Because everybody drink. Not everybody, but a lot of people drink. Rather. Yeah, a lot of people drink. See that brother see that chat see me. Sometimes you know, you can chat. Nah, stop chatting now. Yeah. I remember what your name? The taxi man, yeah? Bomba, it's a man, yeah. Like you're not getting all that too. Yeah.
You won't remember me still, you know?
Yeah, you're not going to remember you. You know, Josh, everybody say I grew up. Yeah. Yeah, as Josh is saying, like, subscribe, comment, share. Go walk over here, son. We didn't walk over here, son. And if you realize, a lot of people selling toys. A lot of people selling toys. And clothes like crazy. A downtown clothes there. Hey, as I said, downtown clothes. Sometimes I wonder if people really are going to wear so much clothes because downtown is like so crazy. Downtown is extremely crazy. So in your place, I'm going to look some food. So I'm not stop record until I reach back Omar. We can get some food. Because I say I don't stop, but Josh say it's boring. So he wanted to do some more walking. Or a little bit of walking. So I walk with him. Yeah. Yeah. I know I can't move friends, so. Hot water. So you say in Jamaica when you walk in the crowd. Oh, go on, right? Warm but. Let me say people then. Yeah, no, say, I shot me there. I don't turn up and show me since there. And if somebody I said, no, I watch him in there. And somebody I said, yeah, Jamaica walk by me. I said, no, I hold it for this.
Holy fire.
Yes. And the brother I talk about peeps. As me say,
oh, you are my boy?
Yeah, I'm a godson.
Oh, your godson?
Yeah.
You look like you just come off by ice.
I saw you look clean.
You're a foreigner.
You look like a foreigner too. When you talk like foreigner too. You talk like foreigner too. Yeah, I say mother grow him. Speak to me.
What you do, you? You say, yeah, Linstead town. What's the man name? Joshua Alexander. You say? Joshua Alexander. Oh, Joshua.
Yeah, man.
What's that? A year town this year come on Grand Market?
Yeah, Linstead live.
Linstead live?
Yeah, man. Born and grown.
Don't get far from go?
Yeah, me used to live there. I'm up there now.
What's that channel name? Holy Fire.
Holy Fire 777 TV.
Oh, yeah, the shirt and things. See them? Holy Fire TV. We are the record or your stream?
The record.
Oh, yeah, record.
Yeah, record, man.
That's cool.
Yeah, man. Them say walk by, I say no man, no walk by, man. And I walk by, but
I say you did sick long and thing I show everybody say that.
no, man, I have a GoPro them too,
Yeah.
but at night. So the
So
GoPro,
it's
no,
better
that
quality
yes,
for the
better
phone.
quality. You see,
Oh, look so far. This is our first one for you. I say they are watching.
me go because from
You got
here,
watching.
stop at Falmouth,
Yeah.
and then I go downtown.
Yeah. Yeah, move. Yeah, that's good. So like get up on the road like me.
No, actually, me want go me pen and wall up about.
My side that
Yeah,
I
cool, man. It's just a fair place, man.
and me go half a tree down to coaching over there Linstead. No. I might cut it out. Because they feel like I'm here Android. But we say, how it looks so far? Which Grand Market you think so far when people they really come out?
Alright. Montego Bay. Montego Bay.
Montego Bay Grand Market?
I first me actually there, but in a then try.
Let me try.
Yes.
Falmouth. So far, which one of them shot to you? So far, right now.
I find me sit down
Angels. Spanish out.
I know downtown.
Yeah. Yeah, they are different.
You can't compare downtown.
Downtown, then you said to me, coaching their third.
Yeah, but Linstead now go on again.
Is the Linstead now going again? No. This now going again. I'm telling you. With all of this now going again.
You still live at Linstead now?
So the man has said
It's when me live at
going
Linstead.
again.
It's a start from Singers.
Yeah.
It's a KFC. KFC is full. The mean in the parking lot.
Parking lot.
You used to plug front of the you can't drive this out.
And that's why I said, I walk from one end to the next end.
This flap, I mean, them are kill it. They really are kill it. Yeah, man, dig up yourself.
What subscriber you have?
7,000 odd.
7,000, so you want to reach 10. You want to reach your 10 goal.
Yeah.
3,000 shy.
Yeah.
Alright, man.
Actually, me still know, I believe in, building a foundation with my channel, I'm in no hurry.
Yeah.
Because you have other people that have whole heap of subscribers and you're not getting views.
Yeah.
You get me I say?
Yeah.
So I'm like getting to know people and thing. You get me I say?
Chocho,
They
but
believe
right
in
now,
that. Yeah.
you are 7.
Yeah.
You have to accept the goals of who you want to go.
I understand,
All of that because you want to reach
I'm
your
love how
10.
you deal with things still.
Yeah.
Because I see man them coming them forward with you. And you know. You
I
get
might
me I
have
say?
power with me and not my way. I grew with me, I deal with that's why I tell them, say, right now, they need to subscribe to your channel. Holy Fire, right?
Yeah, so Holy Fire 777 TV.
Holy Fire 777
Holy Fire
TV.
777 TV.
Yeah, him just need about 3,000 subscribers to square him up again and then he move on. So go and go subscribe to his channel and go do the same thing.
Alright, big up yourself. Yes. Man, big up yourself, man.
Go on for the journey, never
And
stop.
even
The Susie I 100,000.
If there's a comment for your thing,
no worry
may I
yourself,
let's
man.
watch.
Listen me.
Yeah.
We are working and get time to watch everybody.
No man, me watch you on colours and stuff.
Bro.
No, me I tell
Me
you.
just turn on me see and make it run.
Okay.
Alright. And most of them time that when me have something I render, them time that me get to watch.
Okay.
Look here now. Time when we could not watch 2 videos, what we there?
Alright.
Be nice.
Big up yourself, man.
Boss, man, that's a respect. Hear that?
Alright. Big up yourself, brother.
Teacher you own.
And I put your name again.
10th floor. 10th floor.
Oh, no, you're in the downtown. I am the downtown. Yeah. Oh, you look different. Hey, you know, what you see me, I say, if the brother there will sing and act too.
Oh, that.
One there with my father. What name again?
I wonder who that there. I wonder. Everybody think we look like.
No, he look like him for true, man. I think yes. Honestly, believe say him. Alright, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Alright, big up yourself. Yes, peeps, so that Jamaica walk by. That is Jamaica walk by, you know? And a good youth and things, so, yeah. Yeah, you say go see peeps, you just meeting the people. And as me I tell people say that they are good youth for a longer time. Yeah. So alright, now we are going to look some food. We are going to look some food, peeps. So as I say, we're there at the food court. Don't answer all of the food there. Josh? Oh. Don't answer all of the food there, peeps. Actually, they have a park over there, so the kids them over there and sitting. Alright. 3 can. Can be there. Can be there. Oh. Alright, so 3 can now, peeps. Sorry. Throwing an anchor. This is a traditional game in Jamaica. real traditional. Nowhere else in the world, I don't really see them like this. But trust me, this is a traditional game for a long time, for years now. Yeah. So big up yourself, Bossy. Alright. Yeah, that's a traditional game for years now, peeps. Crown and anchor. And Christmas time them always come out, you know. It's like how they do it in New York, throw the dice, but then I throw it on the ground. Or then do it at the wood. Yeah. When you watch a movie, then they do it like that. Something similar to that. But I use a cup. Huh? So you know, people, so I do a little bit of recording the Omar. So I put the mic on Omar a bit. So alright people, so when you come, as I say, when you come to Linstead, when you come support Omar thing. Yes, come say, me and Omar used to there one time, peeps. We used to sell chicken back first, chicken back and jerk chicken, jerk pork, chicken neck. And as look, man fish them. I fry same way. Him have soup over there, so conch soup and thing. I'm gonna try some of my conch soup and festival and you know. But this is Omar. So Omar, I go and talk to him a bit. Me get a little bit from Omar. So go and talk.
A working guy, brother.
Yeah, me, you go and chat, man. Anything you chat.
Any foolishness? Alright. Boss, I'm ever chat any fuckery. Then me I go and chat bull. Yeah, what you say now?
Yo.
Hello, darling. What you need? Sorry. I left nowhere, man. Left nowhere. You know, see man tall on you? Yeah. Yeah, where you want? 2? Alright, me have 2 order out already. Where you want 2? $100. Huh? Yeah, it'll take a way if you're ready. Already, we'll try already.
I'm calculating 25 to find out me how much. Seriously.
Go to a circle boy. Yeah. It's not an emergency for your number.
Alright.
What you say now? You good?
Yeah.
You gonna get the next soap?
Yeah, man. You have to one, man. Show them.
Huh? Yeah. Alright, you have to wait, yeah? You have to wait kind of ready. Here? Eh? The aisle? Yeah, our. What you want? You want aisle? Fire? The fire then a catch. Alright, may I take off this to fry more festival. Oi, one I fish off a Glen. Sure to know. One I fish off a Glen. No, Chris can't wait. Chris stay a long time, man. Chris can't wait. Eh, what you say? You true I work, man. Me I work, brother, I can't talk. You glad you talk about what me I do? Alright, me have fry some fish now and the chicken and move slow. So you don't know, eh? You soon come? Alright, it has so. And you don't know? Yeah. Chicken them a wait, but eh? No, no put nothing on it. And if we get 2 festival. Oh, the driver? Yeah. Me not see him. You love down there, see? Oh. Eh? No, I know nothing funny. Can't put little tip and sitting funny, man. Little tip. No, man, put little tip funny. How in there? How is Glenn there? Chris, I get you?
Yeah, man, you're okay, man. It is a big
Yeah, everybody I get you.
So you two can go in one? Yeah.
Yeah, snap off it dates. Now I heard my another be hungry. Find out them big one. Yeah man, I saw you go man, if I deal with them snapper, yeah. They look good. Is there a snapper they look better? Yeah. I lie. Gigi there, I think there? Soon ready, you know ready yet, soon ready. Alright. They're ready up. They're ready up man. Snapper, they look good in a yacht. Yeah. One small cup of soup. I'm not ready fish yet. They're bombing already yet. Me are bombing already. Yeah man. Kong soup. Alright. Kong soup. You can't eat him and you don't want to eat, you're afraid. So you're afraid? And that me I tell you say you don't want to eat it. You can't afraid to eat food. 3 bills. You man enough for anglet? Alright. Boss, say man enough for anglet. May I come? Well listen. May I come with the change? May I come with the change? May I come with the change? Collect 3 bills out of this. Come in with the change. Oi! Now come the brother. Eh? Where is it? What is this festival? Oh, well listen, you see me I give wrong somebody change. But me, I'm not fish ready yet, my boy.
So we're up on live? You're up on live?
No man, you don't see what going on Jamaica up on live. You could have want to go up on live. You don't go up on live at Jamaica, you get dead. So I'm not up on live at Jamaica. I don't play that. As soon as you go up on live, you get dead. You know so much live people get dead on live. No sir, not yet. We have to, but not yet. Want to live another 200 years, you know? I feel good. Yeah. If it's the fire and I didn't say I have a circle back, you know. I be a giant, me have, you know. A chicken more like soon ready. Because a chicken time, I know, you know. See how chicken is pretty? And we do the best chicken at Jamaica. I'm a tavak at Jamaica. A Jamaica alone can jerk chicken. No other way can jerk chicken but like watch it. My God, and a Christmas. We are the best and we have the baddest reggae artist and the fastest runner. Watch it, Lord God, we're up on top. They are small island. And I don't remember the smallest island that we have big him up too. Come in, Daddy Glenn. Yes, sorry about that. Yes, sir. A Grand Market, you know, no yes neither. Yeah. Yeah, Grand Market for sure. You. Yeah, Biggs. What Biggs there? You have more water? I'm a joke, man. Have them a beer ice. Alright, my baby. Eat and drink all you can on the other side of the machine. You hear? Anything you want, you just knock on the machine. You hear me, darling? See machine there? Yeah, cash machine. You want water? Coconut water. Oh, you want water? So take one water, no brother?
Rum and Pepsi.
You're too damn good, like. You don't want a rum and Pepsi. Me? What? I will buy so much present.
My granddaughter coming in, so I have to sit here and wait for her.
Alright, we done your video.
Yeah, then you chat now.
You say you want soup?
Yeah, I want a cup of soup because I'm hungry.
Ready?
So yes, Peeps, yeah man, I'm ready for soup. You know, from man, one time I eat. Yeah? Soup. Oh, I can ask you now, soup taste? I don't have to record you know. I don't have to record no face. I can say, oh, is it a tape? Or is it taste?
Very nice, very nice. Yeah, yeah.
What taste?
Outstanding.
Outstanding.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how is soup taste?
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
The soup is so nice, I'm about to go back for a refill.
Okay, alright. Yeah. One say, oh my soup is so nice, I have to go back for a refill.
What you say?
Yeah. So anyhow, peeps, that's it for Grand Market. So until the morning, big up on yourself, remember. Like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do what you love. And do it to the best of your ability. And remember, good over evil, God over devil, life over death. So until next video, big up on yourself. Peace out. So this is night, morning after Grand Market, peeps. Street still full of people, same way. And the street dirty. Lots of garbage, rubbish. Money. Street full of people, same way, peeps. So I'm gonna see if I get a taxi, youth and taxi. Stick and stay, peeps. Don't go nowhere.
What you doing? Where are you?
Youth and? So yes, peeps. This is morning, Christmas morning. So I got a vehicle go Yota now. So stick and stay, don't go now. So yes, peeps, I am back in Montego Bay and I am so exhausted. It's been a long day yesterday, long night. What you see? No sleep, team no sleep. So I'm going home to edit those videos. No, I'm gonna get some sleep first because I'm really exhausted. But as I say, that's how Grand Market is, as you all see. That's how Grand Market is. So please, when you watch a video them, like, share, comment and subscribe. Because it takes a lot to make those videos. Yeah. When you watch the videos, like, share, comment and subscribe. So we're back in Montego Bay. I am going home to get some sleep first before I even get something to eat. Because I am exhausted. So that's it. Thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. Yeah. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Do it to your best ability. And remember, good over evil, God over devil, life over death. Peace out.
This is how I feel now. I never had